What up YouTube? Welcome back to the mashup video. We haven't posted a video in about 2+ weeks, but a lot of cool adventurous stuff has been happening here at the shop. So in today's video, you're gonna see a mashup of just jobs that we've completed or throughout kind of miscellaneous footage. And on top of that, to include you guys today's footage of putting on the rear camber arms onto the Honda Accord. And on top of that, another Honda Civic with the camber arms and coilovers as well. Plus whatever happens throughout the day. So welcome back to another video. We are about 1,300 subscribers away from 10,000. So let's go ahead and push that sub button, hit the follow button, and let's see you guys in the video. All right, Ed, how we looking down there, bro? Say what's up to YouTube. It's been a minute.
Hey, kind of clean down here. Just doing a camber arm install on this 10th gen Accord? Question mark?
Yes.
Yes.
Hit it right on the head. Let's go.
Why does he pick up the camera when we're doing another 10th gen Accord?
He likes to watch us struggle.
It's a sign, bro. How you feeling, baby? But you did get donuts. Ed did bring donuts.
Yes, right.
I had no sleep because Rialto PD likes to mess with me.
That's why I brought donuts.
You got donuts. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now, boys. Rear camber arms onto the 10th gen Accord. This one is a fun, venturous one. If you've done one before, you know exactly the process we're going through. If you haven't, good luck when you get there. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do on job number 1. We need to get this job finished in time. We have another big job right behind it. All right, D, how did it go?
Easy, actually.
Yes, I love it. And donut holes too. Ed, how did it go?
It actually went smooth this time, unlike the first time. But then again, once you do it once, you know how to do it. So practice, guys.
No.
Well, we're gonna do 10 more of these today. Let's go, DS.
Where's our new best friend?
Check it out. Check it out.
Our new best friend.
The hardest
Pastor sockets.
pass-through sockets.
The right tools make the difference, guys. Invest in tools.
Need the right tools. That's what we got, baby. So this is the hardest side of it all. Now we're gonna set it to our alignment rack and then get him squaring out, and he'll be good to rock. All right, continuing on the video, we got the bone stock. Well, actually, it's on lowering springs, so I can't say stock. It's on lowering springs currently, but we're gonna update it to new D2 coilovers and the camera arms in the back. So let's go ahead and pull this one in the garage. Ed, how are you ready for this one?
Let's do it. Another Civic in the bay, baby.
Let's go. Saving the world one Civic at a time. So with that being said, let's put it in the garage, get it started, and we'll give you guys the breakdown and the results here in just a moment. Also wrapping up the video to show you guys the final results. Our guy is on our way to the alignment rack right now. So the rear camber kit is on. 10 flexi coilovers on this one if you guys are interested for you guys' Accord. This is kind of how the setup would look. We also hooked them up with the wheels, so it's a full setup: wheels, tires, coilovers, camber arms, all that fun stuff. Check it out. So book that appointment. D says he wants to save the world one Honda Accord camber kit at a time. What a real man. He said what? But yeah,
I want to retrofit all the Yofer kits onto that knife.
he is actually, for bonus footage, making a Yofer kit fit onto his Honda. Check out the front lip. He is piecing together. He's making the middle part as we speak, and he'll come back with more results on that one, so stay tuned. He might have a creative product in the way. That is bonus footage for YouTube right there. Yes. All right, so the boys are getting started on this one, taking out the current setup. The lowering spring is coming out. The coilover is gonna get adjusted, preset, and then they get put on there. Ed has a good flow and the good music. Ed, how you feeling on this one?
Pretty good. Always had a good start. Always have a good start.
Yeah,
So, we're almost done. Believe it or not.
Making amazing time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All right, boys, so in today's video, we are swapping over from a lowering spring setup to a full-on coilover setup. This, we have the stock shocks already out, along with the spring. This is the new shock assembly for the rear, and this is the front assembly. As always, we recommend D2 coilovers, 36-way adjustable, dampering, stiffness control, camber plate included, so you get all the features you're going to need to have a top-tier experience when it comes to coilovers. On top of that, we're going to be installing the rear camera arms as well, so that we have a flush fitment for his stock wheels or aftermarket wheels when he's looking to swap it over. So there we go. So coilovers, from a lowering spring to a coilover, 2 different worlds. If you can, always do coilovers first. It's a best of both, so it gives you all the complete setup. So let's go ahead and draw into today's video and wrap this one up and show you guys the results when we get there. All right, boys, bonus feature. Our boy's gonna rev it up to show you guys. We're gonna possibly do a full exhaust swap on this one, but for now, it's X pipes and headers with the stock exhaust. Just hear this thing. Just hear it. Yep. Yeah. My ears are ringing, dude. What the heck? That. Wow. Yep. I don't even need a radio, bro. Just have the exhaust is all the sound you need. So what we're working on is possibly doing a bucket seat assembly on this one. So the stock seats would come out with the new setup. Planted is working on getting the brackets. Once we find out if the brackets work, you'll see this car again. We'll also see it for other modifications like carbon hood, some lips, some accessories. But for now, possible seats will be the first thing coming, but we hope to do the exhaust and everything else. But shout out to our boy for coming through, doing the revs for the video, and then we'll hopefully see this one soon. All right, how we doing, D? How we doing over there?
Well, I'm already done. I just need to button up.
Nice. The progress is looking pretty good. Ed.
Oh, hi.
How we looking down there?
I'm done with the camber and the new strut and spring setup.
So I think we're ready for some lowering springs on a 24 Subaru. You want to bring it?
24 Subaru?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Sure.
There, that was a test. It's a prank. This camera's right there, right there.
Oh.
No, just kidding. What? So this is the current setup. Well, the front setup is out. The front is currently getting aligned to get dropped in for the full coilover. Making really good progress. The hardest part really is a lot of the rear work, but the guys are killing it. They're doing good. $5 meals all the way around. Let's go, McDonald's. So we are wrapping up just about the finishing, doing the matching of the suspension all the way around one more time. So right now the guys are leveling out the other side to match the even corner, take it for a quick spin, and then it's ready for the alignment rack, and then it's ready for the road. So coming up to the finish line on this one, this is gonna be dope. And we have new exciting product coming for another vehicle, which will be included in today's video. All right, boys, wrapping up today's video. The coilovers are installed, camber kit is installed. Customer's on his way to the alignment rack right now as we speak, so you can get that taken care of. So as a quick wrap up to this part of the video, if you guys are interested in any type of parts, all types of cool parts and accessories are located here in the city of Riverside. We have body kits, accessories for inside and outside, and can service your guys' car today. You guys can finance setups like this with zero out of your pocket on payment plans with 3 months to pay it off. Now, how does it work if I want to finance that? It's super easy. You can go to our Instagram, click on the link in our bio, and apply for SNAP or a SEMA. If you guys get approved, you guys can use that instant approval for parts or to cover the labor as well. So you guys can get all the parts that we did on today's video and all throughout the video, can finance that and the labor as well. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this far in the video. Hit the follow button if you guys haven't already. Final fitment look real quick on this side and this side. Looks super good. Let's continue the rest of the video. I'll show you guys the new product right here and what the guys are doing inside as we speak. But yeah, new setup is ready to go. So wrapping up the day at the shop, Ed, the boy D, Jay already left. So they're boxing and reorganizing with Big Jefe over here. Reorganizing to find the system a lot easier to find these side skirts. A lot of this stuff doesn't come with boxes, so that's what we're doing, is assigning all the product into boxes to make this area run more efficient. So the front lips, side skirts, rear diffusers are found so much faster. So that's what we're doing right now, but stay tuned because the new product install is coming up next. So new style front lip is going to be installed for the 10th Gen Civic. This one has a turnstile LED right here. So the boys are mocking up all the wires to run it up, and we're gonna show you guys the finished results. New product, this will be on the website for you guys as well.
This way, this one,
White.
Yeah, so the turn signal is working right now.
And if you do the other way, should do the same thing with white.
So we have a white and a cake. So
There's constant power to the turn signal right there.
Yeah.
Now when you turn off the turn signal, turn it off, it's gonna die out. So it needs to switch to the all solid white.
Yeah.
Well, you still have the turn signal on, that's the headlights.
Wrong button.
Yeah, wrong one. And then,
so
so now we need to find the power to the
So
constant.
now we got
You think you found the constant power?
yeah. So right
Can you
here.
fix the license plate? It looks all tacky.
Why? JDM tilt.
KDM built. All right, so go ahead. Yep.
Go ahead.
Turn signal.
We got turn signals on, matching. Now we're gonna go to turn off the turn signal, and now we're gonna go constant power.
Yeah, looks like it has a light up show.
Power.
And it stays lit up.
And check it out to that, go straight to signal.
Yep.
Yes.
Straight to signal, and then turn off the signal. Back to
white.
constant. All right, what's the mock-up? Where we at?
So we are at
So turn signal.
are on. Now we're gonna hit it at daytime running lights. Now it's gonna be our daytime.
Nice,
headlights.
look at that. All three assembly lit up. That's the city light in the headlights, so don't worry about that one. Turn on the headlights. Now it should do like a preview show. Come on. Yes, sir. That looks good. Now catching up on this side, Ed is killing it. Almost every single one of those loose items are now into a box. So inventory is gonna be so much easier to count. And when you guys call about diffusers, front lifts, or side skirts, we can tell you yes or no right away by having it all stored away properly. Yes, boxes finally arrived. So Ed is on a murdering streak with killing that. Look at that. On a roll, baby, to end the day off strong. All right, guys, here we go with the final mock-up. Show you guys the turn signal and the lights all wired up there. Time to clean up. And that'll be the new lip. We're gonna clean it up and post some pictures and videos about it tomorrow after we get it all finished. But you guys got a head start on that on the YouTube channel. So if you guys haven't already, hit the follow button. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. If you watched and enjoyed this whole video, let us know your guys' favorite part. Drop the comments down below. Thank you guys also for joining for another video and another week. Thank you guys once again. We'll see you guys in the next video. We'll see you guys soon. Peace.